Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to our Trading Secret channel. Today is a very interesting and profitable topic of stock market called Gulel pattern. So what is Gulel pattern and how to draw or plot this Gulel pattern? How it works in Nifty, Bank Nifty and high-end stocks. Also the time frame, which is so important, of 15-minute and 1-hour chart. So what is Gulel pattern or slingshot pattern? It's nothing but Gulel pattern is basically the game of exponential moving average of 1, 3 and 10, in which when the pattern forms, then 3 EMA act as a buying candle that support as a tweezer bottom formation. Then best buying opportunity occurs till the tweezer top forms to exit the market. Let's go to the chart of your trading platform, and to plot this pattern, place 3 EMA, that is exponential moving average of 1, 3 and 10 from your indicator tab. As I have shown you, the left side indicating a 3 arrow of 1, 3 and 10 EMA, and put the time frame of your 15-minute or 1 hour for both short and long uptrend or downtrend. Let's see here in the chart a reversal formation to downtrend occur till tweezer bottom forms indicating 1, and from here you see a rally up to 3 goes. Now tweezer bottom formation creates, it will further move to upward direction till it will make a tweezer top pattern. So this is the perfect buy and sell opportunity with this pattern, which we can call it as Gulel or slingshot pattern. So finally friends, this is a very exciting concept which can work in every segment of market like stocks, options and futures. It's really working in both uptrend, downtrend and high-end stocks. If you understand this concept, then comment below, or if you like this video, then please support up to do subscribe and press the bell icon for my upcoming videos. Thanking you and signing out, bhanupshm.